Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Networking. In this video, we are going to see how to configure the inter-VLAN routing using L3 switch. So the steps are very simple and we are going to make this video very light and simple way to understand easily. So before that, I will just quickly explain. Here is the topology in which that we have a layer 3 switch connected to the hosted, and the pre-configuration of this is PCs and laptop is done to save the time shaving. So I will just quickly explain the things what is mentioned in the topology. We are going to take as a two VLAN. One is data VLAN, another one is wireless VLAN. So for Wi-Fi VLAN, we are going to assign for the laptop, and the data VLAN we are going to assign for the PC. And PC VLAN is belongs to VLAN 10, or we can say data VLAN is going to belongs VLAN 10, and Wi-Fi VLAN would be VLAN 20. Same way we are going to do here. So I will just quickly open and show you for one laptop. So if you see here 192.168.2.20, the subnet mask we have used slash 24 because we are mentioned here slash 24. The subnet mask is slash 24 is 255.255.250, and the gateway 192.168.2.1, the first IP address we are going to use as the default gateway. Okay, so same configuration as made for here all the devices. Now we will go to the configure the inter-VLAN routing. So before that, we want to see the interface of this switch, right? So it is not visible. So how to make the enable is go to options, preference. Here we have options. Always show the port labels in the logical workspace. Just click, simple. That's it. Come out. If you see here, now it is visible. Okay. Now going to the switch. Okay. Show run. If you see here, there is no configuration, only the default configuration is there. So now we are going to create the configuration. Okay, so PC will be in VLAN 10 and laptop will be in VLAN 20. So first we need to create the VLAN 10 name. We need to give data. Now we need to create VLAN 20 name. We are going to give Wi-Fi. Okay, so the steps one, assign the IP address in the PC. This is already done to save the time. The step two is creating the VLAN on the layer 3 switches. So we have created the VLAN. Steps 2 is completed. Now we are in the step 3. However, if you would like to know more about the VLANs and other things, the video is already available in our channel. The link will be given in the description and the icon. To show the VLANs, now we need to do show. We are in the global configuration, so we need to use do show VLAN brief. Okay, so VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 is created and the name is also assigned. Now we need to bind the VLAN to the respective interface. So interface 1 and 2 would be this one. So I'm planning to do the range command. Okay, interface range past Ethernet 0 slash 1 hyphen 2, because this is 1 and this is connected to 2. For time saving, I'm going to use range. Okay, now we are in the range command. Then switch port access VLAN 10, then exit. Okay, now we need to give same 3 to 4 for this laptop. Okay, switch port access VLAN 20. Now coming to this one. Okay, so this one is 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5 6 switchboard VLAN 10, because this is VLAN 10, and 7 and 8 is this port is connected, and for this we are going to create VLAN 20. Okay, done. Now we have created the VLAN. So we'll go and see show VLAN brief. Okay, so if you see here, VLAN 10 and 20 and the ports are binded. So PC will be in VLAN 20 and laptop will be in VLAN. PC will be on VLAN 10 and laptop will be on VLAN 20. We will try to ping the devices. So we will try to ping 192.168.1.30 in this PC. Ping 192.168.1.30. Yes, so we are able to ping same VLAN devices. We will try to ping laptop IP address 2.30. Request timeout. The reason is two different VLAN will not be communicate, as we know. So to make it to communication, now we are going to create this one. I will keep it here. For step 3 is now we are going to create SVI for VLAN 10, and the IP address is 192.168.1.1 because this is the range, and the SVI for VLAN 20 giving IP address is 192.168.2.1. Okay, now we are into the step 3. So step 3 also same, we need to go to the configuration terminal, config t IP routing, then interface. We need to create, we are going to create the VLAN 10 interface. So interface VLAN 10. So interface is done. Now we need to bind the IP address to the VLAN interface. So IP address 192.168.1.1, then subnet mask is /24 255.255.255.0. Done. Now we need to create the same one, interface VLAN 20. Okay. Now here we need to give 2.1. And this is the IP address. This IP address only we are used in the gateway of laptop and PC. Okay. Now coming out from the configuration, now if you type show IP interface brief, okay, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 and VLAN 10 IP address is this one. The status is up and protocol is up. Okay. Now we will try to ping the IP address. Okay. Now we will try to ping 192.168.1.1. Okay. So we are able to reach gateway. We will try to ping the 2.1 gateway. That is also we are able to reach. Now we will try to ping the same VLAN IP address 192.168.1.30. That is also success. Now we will try to ping different VLAN laptop. So 192.168.2.0, 192.168.2.0. This laptop we are going to try to ping. Yes. So very simple. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to write the comments in the comment box. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. We will meet you in the next video.